Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy listings on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to see two possible ways or two situations. So either you want like to copy your listing from another seller or something like that. For example, you will be able like to in case you want to move the listing from one store to another or duplicate the listings and sell from two stores. So basically, you can just transfer listings from one account to another, and basically you can simply go to your second account and bring up the item from the first account and do a similar. And you can simply, for example, search for the second account or the first account from where you want to copy, and then you can like start doing some similar. But there is another way by using this tool of eBay. And basically, this is the eBay for Business, and it is a free tool developed by eBay for sellers, and you can sign into the eBay Mac. So from here, you will be able to transfer your listing from one eBay site to another. So after you sign in to this eBay Mac, so you can just sign in via eBay, you will need just to log in into your account or your store, and you will agree to grant this application the access. So from here you can just agree and continue, and basically now you will be able to start like importing your listings from eBay, and basically it will just take a bit of time, and from here you can select like your sites that you want, and basically you can just click on finish and you will have all your items or listing that will be moved. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.